Hey everyone, it's Leah Miller here with the Miller team at Keller Williams.
And I'm Darin Miller. We're excited to give you a quick overview of what's packed in this month's newsletter.
Lots of fun things. So first up, there's some big news in the housing market. Mortgage rates have actually dropped a little bit, and experts believe that there might be more cuts ahead. So if you're thinking about possibly refinancing, now might be the perfect time. We've included a great resource in this newsletter. It's a free refinancing calculator from Fannie Mae. So you can check that out and see if refinancing is right for you. You don't want to miss that article.
Yeah, it might be a good time. Next, we know many of you have renovation projects planned. We've heard from you talking about it. Our second article covers the 7 most common mistakes homeowners make when hiring a contractor. We want to help you avoid the stress, the financial strain, and any subpar results. Plus, don't forget, we have a trade and services guide to help you find the right professionals for your home projects. So just reach out to us and we'll be happy to share it with you.
That trade and services guide is so good.
Yeah.
All right, so now for our biggest news, our exciting call-in contest. We're giving away an iPad tech bundle valued at over $1,300. It's gonna be Tuesday, October 8th.
That's right, all you need to do is call your favorite Miller team agent anytime between 9 a.m. and 3 p.m. and you'll be entered into the drawing. It's that simple.
And if you give us a referral from someone who needs to either buy or sell or maybe even invest in real estate, then you'll earn 3 extra entries. So it's a win-win.
Yeah, 3 extra entries, that's right.
Special thanks to our amazing sponsors, Craig Paulus at Foundation Title and Teresa Schmidt at First Bank. Big thank you. They added even more great prizes to this bundle with AirPods and an Apple gift card.
Yeah, it's awesome. It's a perfect chance to kickstart your Christmas shopping early, so don't miss out. Save the date, Tuesday, October 8th. We can't wait to hear from you.
Thanks so much for watching today, and don't forget, get ready to call in, enter that contest, and share those referrals.
Yeah, good luck, and as always, we're here for all your real estate needs.
See you soon.